have Keely's bedroom, we have Blakely's bedroom, and then we have our bedroom. So,
talking about baby brother.
Yes, and we have baby brother's bedroom now. I'm Jeremy Poland.
I'm Jody Poland.
And we're looking to convert our dining room space into a nursery. This is Blakely. This is Keely. And of course, little Brody. We didn't think this one was gonna come along.
I was diagnosed with PCOS in the beginning of 2020, and we went to seek fertility treatment, and I took medication, and we finally decided we were done. You know, it wasn't worth everything we were going through, and that God had blessed us with 2 beautiful kids, and that it just wasn't meant to be. So we stopped all treatment in April of 2020, and I became pregnant in September of 2020.
When we did get the news, it was very emotional. So we were very grateful that we were pregnant again. Our house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We have Keely's bedroom, we have Blakely's bedroom, and then we have our bedroom. Obviously, welcoming a new member to the family, we needed an additional bedroom. So we looked at moving, but it just didn't make sense. The housing market is crazy, and we didn't really want to play that game. Thinking outside the box, we talked about it, and we decided we could convert the dining room into a nursery.
One of the biggest problems with converting the dining room into a nursery is that there's no closet space. All the other rooms, you know, have closets, and with the dining room, you just don't have that. So that's something we're gonna have to figure out. So the room right now has 2 doorways without doors. So it's really important to me to find doors for it, because sound with a 3-year-old and a 15-year-old running through the house and a baby trying to nap, I needed doors. The girls are on this side of the house, and he's kind of away from them, so I thought maybe some bean bags would pull the girls in there to sit and read books to him or something like that.
We want to make sure that when we walk in, it doesn't feel like a dining room, it feels like a nursery. This is kind of just a normal size room. This wall is 11 feet. This wall is 12 feet. We've already replaced the light. This is the area where I would continuously bump my head as I would walk through here. There are no doors, so that's one of the bigger problems we're trying to address. And we have no closet. So we wanna add an armoire to kind of take the place of a closet. We chose Wayfair. We've used them in the past for other things we needed, but it's one place that we can go and find all of the things that we need. We did get a light fixture from Wayfair, and we absolutely love it. And now we're looking to finish this project.
Usually when we're shopping, I provide like the color or, you know, how things look. Like I provide my opinion, but he's really big into budgeting. So price is a big thing for us. In the end, we always have to, you know, what looks good may not always be the final decision.
Yeah. I'm a fairly handy guy. Something with a little bit of assembly is not a problem.
He actually built a surfboard by hand to hang over the baby's bed. The first thing we need to look for is doors.
So I want to make sure that we don't mess with the door casings. We would either need to go white or with a darker wood to kind of match, like you said, match the floors. I actually really like this K-Series barn door by Well Home. I think we go with this. You good with that?
Yeah.
All right. Let's add it to the cart.
Let's look at the armoires. Here's one. There's just a curtain to hide everything. Maybe if we could find something else that had some doors. So I'm gonna scroll down to similar items. What do you think about that armoire?
I do like that.
Oh, and this one has no wheels, so it'd be perfect. More stable for kids.
I like that.
How about we pick out some art to go on the walls? That would be
Sure,
fun.
sounds good.
So I went in and did ocean nursery art. Oh, that's a sea turtle. That's so cute.
That's awesome.
And it's blue, it'd be perfect. One thing I'd really like to add is some bean bags in there. That'd be kind of neat.
There's an extra large one. I'm super excited. I can't wait till this stuff gets here.
better than I could have expected.
Like literally every aspect that we were looking to do, we met.
And more.
And yeah, and more. So very, very happy. I mean, I'm ecstatic about it.
Right. We got to get all the functional things and the fun things in one place, so it was perfect. Where else can you go that you can get barn doors and armoire and ocean decor?
And a beanbag chair. I see a lot of nights like after dinner just piling up on this and reading a book or just kind of playing with stuffed animals. Or
I could definitely see us hanging out here more than we did in the dining room. It's very helpful that the nursery is on this side of the house versus the girls' side of the house. And it's convenient to our bedroom and the kitchen if we need water or fixing bottles or anything like that. So it's a perfect place.
Feels like being a kid again, right?
Right.
I think we found our new spot.